My name is Alex. I am like a little perv.
I am Alex the Greatness, and I am here to show you how to make a house. My bad. Wait. Okay. This is my house that I originally built in the 80s, but I'm going to show you how to make a snow goblin. Hi. I'm going to show you how to make a snow goblin. So you have to go to there, and you get snow. Then you get snow.
You guys knocked my tables and lamp over.
Then you get that. Then you have to stack it up.
Now what?
There you go. So that's how you make a snow goblin. And that's how you kill it.